Hi viewers, welcome to Unveiling the Beauty of Outdoor Garden Sculptures. In this memorizing journey, we will dive into the enchanting world of outdoor garden sculptures and explore the profound impact they have on your surroundings. Number 1. Captivating landscapes. Imagine stepping into a world where nature meets art, where sculptures gracefully emerge amidst vibrant gardens. These outdoor sculptures transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary realms, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. Number 2. Sculpture type and significance. Outdoor garden sculpture come in various forms, each with its unique beauty and purpose. From towering statues to delicate installation, they capture the essence of human creativity. Some sculptures tell stories, while others embody abstract concepts, leaving room for individual interpretation. Number 3. Enhancing outdoor spaces. The magic of outdoor garden sculptures lies in their ability to harmonize with the natural environment. Placed thoughtfully, they interact with the elements, casting captivating shadows and reflecting light in memorizing ways. They turn simple gardens into captivating galleries. Number 4. Evoking emotions. These sculptures have power to evoke emotions within us. They inspire awe, anxiety, curiosity, and provoke contemplation. A well-placed sculpture can become a focal point, capturing attention and inviting viewers to reflect upon their surroundings and the message embedded with the artwork. Number 5. The joy of creation. For artists, crafting outdoor garden sculptures is a labor of love. The process involves intricate planning, skilled craftsmanship, and deep connection with the natural world. It's journey of self-expression where ideas take shape and imagination blooms. Number 6. Beauty of artistic landscapes. The interplay between sculptures and landscapes create a visual symphony where nature and art seamlessly intertwine. Sculptures become part of a grand narrative, enhancing the beauty of their surroundings and creating an immersive experience for all who encounter them. Number 7. Closing. As we conclude our exploration of outdoor garden sculptures, we invite you to seek out these artistic teasers in your own journey. Whether you are an artist, a garden enthusiast, or simple someone who appreciates beauty, let the allure of outdoor sculptures inspire you to create and surround yourself with the wonder of art in nature. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Share your thoughts and experience with outdoor garden sculptures in the comments below. And remember, let art adorn world. Thank you for watching.